Hi! In front of me is OPPO A96 and today I would like to show you how you can operate in pop-up view on this device. Start by choosing one of your apps and opening it, like Play Store. Then you need to click on this button with 3 lines and click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your chosen app. Over here select floating window, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, you need to hold this line and place it wherever you wish to. If you wish to use it overlay other apps, just select the other one and operate in both of them. You can also make this window smaller by choosing Home button. If you wish to make it bigger again, just tap on it. If you want to close it though, you need to click on this X icon at the top right corner of it, or simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!